Hey guys, it's Vicki with another cooking recipe. Tonight for dinner we're going to have Yorkshire meatballs. So I'm going to show you how to prepare the meatballs first. And you are going to need 1.5 pounds of ground beef. Then you're going to go ahead and add 1/4 cup of ketchup. 1, 2, 3, and 4. We're going to add 1 pack of onion soup mix. It's similar to all right, so that's the way you cut that open. We're going to add 1 tablespoon of parsley. We're going to add 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, but it's just supposed to be 1/4 teaspoon. 1 egg. And 1 tablespoon of water. Okay. And we're going to mix this together. Are we still recording? I think we are. Are we? We're 6 minutes. God, I hope we were recording in the beginning. Is this thing on? So you should get, give or take, 24, 26 little meatballs. When we're done here, they will go into the refrigerator until dinner. I mean, no, we're not having raw meatballs for dinner, if that's what you were thinking. They smell really good. But again, we're not having raw meat for dinner. It seems to be what I'm insinuating. So yes, you can make your meatballs ahead of time and just leave them in the refrigerator and make the Yorkshire pudding mix when you're ready. That doesn't take too horribly long. And again, you want all your meatballs to be approximately the same size so that they all cook uniformly in the oven. All right, lid on and into the fridge. All right, guys, we're back. We are going to make the Yorkshire part of this, and you're going to need 1.5 cups of flour. My recipe says to sift together the flour, the salt, and the baking powder. I don't have a sifter, so there you go. Flour, and we are going to go with 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, not baking soda. 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder and 1 teaspoon of salt. There you go. And then I'm just gonna mix that up. And then at this point, we are going to beat 4 eggs until they are foamy. 1, 2, 3, 4. And because I already have 1 blooper in this video, I'm going to do the eggs over here where my only outlet is, and then I'll bring them back. 4 foamy eggs. We need 1.5 cups of milk. This is not going to be big enough, so I'm going to put my eggs in here. So you need 1.5 cups of milk and 3 tablespoons of melted butter. We've got our melted butter. I'm going to put that into the milk. I'm going to add the eggs. And we are going to add all of the dry ingredients at one time to the eggs, the milk, and the butter. I'm going to mix that up. Now that we're mostly blended, I'm going to actually take my hand mixer to it. And I'm just going to, so I have my pan and my meatballs. I'm just going to lightly spray the pan I'm going to add the meatballs that we made earlier. The recipe calls for a preheated oven at 350. I have mine at 380. I think it just cooks better that way, but the original recipe is 350. And now we are just going to pour the Yorkshire mixture over the meatballs. And we are going to put it into the oven, the preheated oven, and bake it for 45 to 50 minutes. So thank you so much for tuning in for another recipe. Please remember to like, subscribe, and share. I would very much appreciate it. If you have any comments, leave them down below. You guys have a great night, and I will see you for dinner tomorrow. Bye.